Hi, this is Kathleen Gano with the Gano Group of Keller Williams. And I get a lot of questions about home buying and the market in general. And by far the most common question is, how do I find a home when there's just no inventory? And if you've been wondering about this, I'd like to invite you to our interactive homebuyer workshop right from your living room sofa. It's so frustrating. Why is finding a home so hard right now? I think the biggest mistake most people make is expecting that they're going to find their home online. And well, it's just not so, and it becomes disappointing. So if you want to identify your dream home confidently and know it's the right one with you, without those endless hours of searching online only to be disappointed, then I would like to invite you to our 6 simple steps in buying a home in 2021. Click on the link, join us. I'll see you there.